share the Word of God in Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. Sabi po doon, I can do all things through Him who strengthening me. Sabi dito, magagawa natin ang lahat ng bagay sa pamamagitan ng Diyos. Dahil bibigyan niya tayo ng kalakasan upang magpatuloy at magtagumpay in every situation in our life. But sometimes we base on our own strength. And the reason din kaya tayo napapagod, sumusuko, at nagpe-fail tayo sa mga plano na gusto natin sa ating mga buhay just because we do not accept God in our life. We do not acknowledge that apart from Him, we can do nothing. Sabi po niya in John chapter 15 verse 5, sabi po doon, I am the vine, you are the branches, if remain in me, and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. Kaya sa bawat bagay na atin pong gagawin, ask God guidance, acknowledge Him, and always trust in Him. And God will guide us. God give us strength para ma-overcome natin ang mga sitwasyon sa ating mga buhay.